Daytime in no time.
One headline even asks if it's the worst baby product ever.
Parents, embarrassed by your baby's score on Candy Crush? Is your infant struggling with Instagram? Well, you're in luck because on Friday's Today Show, they found an app for that.
It's called Newborn to Toddler Activity Seat from Fisher-Price. So here we go. It allows you to strap in your baby just inches from a mounted iPad.
Finally, your baby will never miss an email from you. And when you've got your own personal iPad, who needs a mom or dad?
The seat costs $80.
I wish I had one.
And the company, that baby's happy, he's clapping. The company says babies can play and learn using educational apps, but critics fear parents will use the product as a babysitter.
Well, I, for one, am against using technology as a babysitter, but since you're right there, hey kids, hi, be sure to follow @NikkiBoyer on Twitter.
One headline even asks if it's the worst baby product ever. Fisher-Price says parents do have the option of using the product without the iPad.
iPad, charging cable, and the faintest clue about parenting sold separately.
Yeah, but when your baby starts ordering stuff from Amazon,
Why?
all of a sudden,
I don't know.
I think you're going to think
Free shipping or express shipping?
Hey, be sure to tune into Prime Time in No Time, hosted by Theo Vaughn, for all the best moments from last night's TV. Like us on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And thanks for making Yahoo part of your daily habit.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
Yahoo!